Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect API keys in Google Antigravity. To get started, open the Antigravity IDE software on your computer. Make sure the application is fully loaded before moving on, so all panels and menu options are visible and ready to use. If this is your first time opening it, give it a moment to finish loading in the background. Once you're inside the workspace, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen and look for the Agent panel. This is where you'll access the tools and integrations needed for connecting services. If your layout looks slightly different, just focus on the upper right area until you locate the panel. After that, click on the three-dot menu. This usually opens additional options that are not shown directly on the main interface. It's a common place for settings, extensions, or service-related actions, so this is the menu you'll use to continue the setup. From the menu, click on MCP Server. This section is where you can browse and manage available server connections or supported integrations inside Antigravity. Opening it should bring you to a list or searchable area where you can find the service you want to connect. Next, use the search area to look for the sample or integration you want to install. In this example, the search term is Stitch. Typing the name carefully will help you find the correct result faster, especially if there are multiple options available. Once you see the matching result, confirm that it's the one you want before continuing. Then click Install. This will add the selected integration to your Antigravity environment. Depending on your system or connection speed, the installation may take a few seconds. It's a good idea to wait until the process completes fully before moving to the next part. Now switch over to your browser and get your API key from Stitch. This key is what allows Antigravity to connect securely to that service. Be careful when handling it, and avoid sharing it or exposing it on screen unnecessarily, since API keys are sensitive credentials. Once you have the API key, return to Antigravity and paste it into the required field. Double-check that the full key has been copied correctly with no extra spaces before or after it. Accurate pasting is important because even a small error can prevent the connection from working properly. And that's the full process for connecting an API key in Google Antigravity. After pasting the key, you'll be ready to continue working with the integration inside your project.